Dear students, once again welcome to my channel. You are watching Manikant All in One Research Point. I am Manikant Mani. I am going to explain the rest parts of the chapter of the ratio. This is volume C. I hope that you might be watching it serially. Let us start the video. The chapter of ratio starts from here. To change the quantity into the ratio, and second is the ratio change into quantity. Here we shall change the quantity into the ratio. The question is, in a total sum of 500 grams of a mixture, the water is 400 grams and the milk is 100 gram. How can you show it into the ratio? There is a pot and wherein the water is 400 grams in it and milk is 100 gram. So this is the mixture of water and milk, and we shall change into this number into the number of ratio. First of all, this number will be written into the fractions as 400 by 100 gram. 400 grams water and 100 grams milk. This number will be changed into the simplest form. In this way, divide by their HCF. By division and by cutting the number, we can change this fractional number into the simplest form. And when this 4 by 1 is written into the form of ratio as 4 to 1. So this is the ratio, this is the number of the ratio. 4 parts water and 1 parts milk. The complete answer would be, so the ratio of water and milk would be 4 to 1. And hereafter, this is number B, and here we shall study about how ratio can be changed into the quantity. So the questions is, in a mixture of 500 grams, the ratio of water and milk is 3 to 2. Find the total quantity of water and milk. This is a pot, and this pot has 5 grams of mixtures, and wherein the ratio of water and milk is 3 to 2. It means 3 parts water and 2 parts milk. So how this ratio can be changed into the quantity? The total amount of quantity is 500 grams and this is the whole part. So the quantity of mixtures is 500 gram, the whole parts, and this quantity will be changed into 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If the 500 grams of mixture will be divided into 5 parts, then its one part will have 100 grams. It would be quantity, and second part also would have 100 grams, and in this way all the parts would be the same quantity. So here the ratio of water and milk is 3 to 2, it means 3 parts water and 2 parts milk. From these numbers, if we take 3 parts, then the 3 parts would be 1, 2, 3. 3 parts water would be 300 grams, and this is the 2 parts. The 2 parts would be 200 grams. So we can say that in this mixture the whole quantity of water is 300 grams and milk is 200 grams by their ratio. By rules, the rule is given here to change the ratio into the quantity. The first of all, particular ratio by total sum of ratio multiply the whole part of quantity. If we have to find the quantity of water, then particular ratio 3 by 5 multiply 500, it means 3 parts. The particular ratio of water 3, so 3 is written, and total sum of ratio 3, and 3 plus 2 would be 5, so the 5 is written below, and thereafter the whole part of quantity. The whole part of quantity is 500, and in this way this gives 300 by division by cutting the number. So therefore the quantity of water is 300 grams. The second question is to find the quantity of milk. Particular ratio 2 is the particular, the number of ratio of water 2 by the total sum of ratio 5 into the whole part of quantity 500 grams, and finally in the last it gives 200. So the total quantity of milk is 200 grams. Noted point: to know the particular quantity of the objects, there should be the quantity of the whole part in the question. You can see the extra understanding is total quantity of water and milk is water 300, milk 200 grams, therefore finally 3 to 2. The sum of the whole quantity amount is 300 grams water plus 200 grams milk equal to 500 grams, the whole part of mixture. The sum of ratio is, the ratio of water is 3 and the ratio of water is, the ratio of milk is 2, therefore 5. After adding this number, this gives 5. Number 4, the ratio of water is, the ratio of water is 300 by 500, so therefore 3 to 5, and the ratio of milk is 200 by 500, 2 by 5 or 2 to 5. In this way we can find the ratio into the quantity. Herewith the class is over.